Today, let's discuss the daily precautions and maintenance for the rotary heating press. When the machine is in operation, avoid touching the bearings and do not open the seal switch, as the drum features an lead oil-filled design. Additionally, do not touch the inside the chain, machining, or getting too close to the hot drum. Avoid contact with any surface of the drum. For maintenance, it's essential to lubricate the bearings and chain weekly using lubrication grease to prevent wear and extend their lifespan. Pay attention to both sides of the machine's cabinets as well. Also, regularly clean the electrical components inside the machine to ensure proper cooling. Using compressed air gun is effective for removing dust. Following these guidelines is crucial for prolonging the life of your machine.